Hey, today we are doing the BM3 flex fuel kit. First thing we did, unplug these two connectors, just started the car till it ran out of fuel, and now we are going to disconnect the battery. We're going to now disconnect this fuel line, take this clip out, should just... Fucking motherfucker, dude.
Here.
So we have this all wired up. I'm going to put the battery, connect the battery back on, and start the car, make sure there's no fuel leaks. So I didn't end up recording this part, but the fuel line that you take off from the fuel pump, you need to take and rotate, I believe, 90 degrees so it fits onto the ethanol sensor. And then you can stuff the sensor however you can fit it to fit all the connectors, if that makes sense. Doesn't recognize the key.
I can't see it. I have any. Yeah?
No leaks?
Solid, dude.
Tuck that in there. I just don't want it pulling on it. So this is how we're gonna run it. I guess, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Pretty good, right?
Yep.
Hopefully this doesn't rub too much on there, though. Pop it.
That's pretty good.
Okay, so like it. So basically, that's all gonna go there. We just needed to.
Maybe give it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, where's the seat? Yeah, I don't know.
Let me get my hands in there.
You just get that little. Should go in.
Oh, for the rear.
For the dash cam, then.
Okay. You ask me when you need my help.
We have made it. Okay, so I am following this guy Michael McKittrick in the forums. He said remove connector 7. Connector 7. Slide off the connector. We're going to be removing the gray piece. So I slid this gray connector onto the harness. And we're going to put this connector on, plug it back into Con 7. Okay. Okay. I'll plug that back in. Okay. So connector 7's in.
Alright.
That's connector 3.
So once you make sure that you have those two can wires matched up
Woo.
together, I like to get electrical tape and wrap
Connector
this
3,
around
it shows it right here.
They never come apart.
Doing anything.
Okay, so I didn't record this, but you need to remove the two connectors within Con 3. There's some tabs I believe you have to press in to pull both of them out. And on the blue connector, you depin pin 1 and then install the supplied boot mode red wire into there. Got this connector in.
Not doing anything. Just take 5.
We're going to plug this other red one.
Relax, dude.
Okay, so we're gonna put these back in the top.
When you're, yeah, I mean, but when we're done with it, create the seal cap.
Plug these in. Okay, so it's basically everything, and we're going to see if it reads the ethanol content.
Here we go.
It's going quick.